Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I'm quickly just going to check in with you from yesterday's instruction and activity. So just some things to know. Question number 1 on the Google form was wrong, and the answer should have been figurative because can hair actually have the human quality of being lazy? No, it can't. That is personification, so it would be figurative. It's not something that can actually happen, right? Trying to imagine your hair being lazy. Your hair can look dull and limp, but can actually be lazy. All right. The good news is it's not going to be graded. However, if you have yet to complete it, you do need to go in there and complete it because that tells me if you're struggling with that or if you're good to go. Because if you're struggling, I need to check in with you. Any scores lower than a 7, I'm going to be checking in with you about that. So just keep that in mind. You're going to use the picture strategy that I modeled yesterday while reading Princess Penelope today in your daily activity doc that I assigned. So you're going to read and you are just going to identify different figurative language that is used within that very, very, very short text that you'll read. And it's posted right in the doc. If you have any questions, email me. Again, please don't make a copy of the doc. Actually complete the one that is assigned to you, because if you don't, then it just stays missing. And then last thing, the rubric for this unit, because we're looking at figurative language, 6544 rubric, determine the meaning of words and phrases as they are used in text, including figurative, connotative, and technical meanings. We're going to really focus on the figurative. You can see the 1, 2, 3, and 4 there. The one, student reads the words on the page without interpretation of figurative language or comprehension. So you would, for example, you would read, one would be reading Princess Penelope today and not being able to find even where the figurative language is. 2, approaching proficient would be as soon as able to identify figurative language in a text. So if you're able to do that today, wonderful. That's great. What we're going to move towards, though, if you can see in 3, you're not only just identifying figurative language within a text, but you need to actually interpret the literal meaning of the word or phrase. So yesterday I gave you a quick example in that TikTok where I said, hit the hay. Well, I'm not actually going to go over there and hit the hay. I don't even have hay anywhere near me. But what I mean is the literal meaning is I'm going to go to bed. And then 4, mastery. You're able to identify the figurative language, you're able to interpret the literal meaning, but then you can infer the impact that the figurative language has on the overall text. The author wouldn't use it if he or she did not want to make you feel a certain type of way or really impact you by using that figurative language. So that would be putting it into your own words. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me.